Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace an LD brand compatible Epson WF-2860 ink cartridge in your Epson Workforce WF-2860 printer. LD brand compatible cartridges are a great low-cost alternative to the original Epson brand. Installing an LD brand compatible cartridge is identical to installing the original Epson. Let's jump right into the installation process. Okay, so we've got our LD brand compatible 202XL ink cartridge here. This installation process for this cartridge is going to be identical to installing an original cartridge. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that. First, we'll remove the original cartridge from the machine. And to start the replacement process, you're going to select the ink droplet with the exclamation point on your printer's display screen. This will bring up a display of your current ink cartridge levels, and as you can see, we need to replace the Cyan cartridge. So let's go ahead and select the Replace Ink Cartridges button. We'll wait for the cartridges to center, and then remove the Cyan by gently pulling up on the cartridge. And then we'll grab our compatible cartridge and slide it into the exact same slot. And again, you should hear a click. Close up the top cover here, and we're all set. So as you can see, it fits just like the original brand, and it prints the same number of high quality pages too. If you're looking to save money on ink, consider purchasing LD brand compatible Epson 202XL ink cartridges. LD brand compatible cartridges are a compatible alternative to the Epson brand. They print the same number of pages and are backed by an industry best lifetime guarantee. Be sure to check out our other videos for the Epson 202 ink cartridge series. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and be sure to subscribe. Shop with LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.